22 beautiful women in sari. ഇവരെ ഇങ്ങനെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഇവരോട് ഒരു ഇഷ്ടം തോന്നിയെങ്കിൽ നന്നായിട്ടൊന്ന് കൈയടിച്ചോളൂ നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട 22 ഫൈനലിസ്റ്റുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി. And now comes the difficult part, but before that I have to mention that these sarees are beautiful and they have been presented by Blocks and Prints, and these are Umber themed sarees and they're all wearing designer blouses of course, and thank you so much to Blocks and Prints for making our girls look absolutely wonderful. We would like to take this time to please also invite on stage Anupama Roy from Blocks and Prints, Convent Junction, Convent Road, Ernakulam.
A round of applause.
Let us all get a good look at the designer who's created such wonderful masterpieces. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, well, now comes the difficult part.
Well, as all is well that ends well, from 22 to 10, and now we're gonna take it down further to 5. Ladies
So
and
before
gentlemen.
we say who are the top 5, I think we should request the top 10 to please step forward. All of you can be in a single line and we request top 10 to kindly step forward.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, from 22 to 10, a huge round of applause for this wonderful bunch of talents representing Miss Kerala 2019.
കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറച്ച് മാസങ്ങളായി ഇവരിട്ട് ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക്, ഇവർ കാണിച്ച ഡെഡിക്കേഷൻ എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും റിസൾട്ട് ഇന്നാണ് ഇവർ തിരിച്ചറിയാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ലൈക്ക് വി ഓൾവേസ് സേ, all 22 of you are winners.
Well, the diplomatic way is that, but still the hard reality we need to find out. So, all set. How are you finding now? You're fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
So you are there in the 5. You really want to be there in the 5, right?
Of course.
We really want each and every one of you to be in the 5 and take the title. Well, I got the names with me right now. We got 5 names in the list. I'm just giving it. The judges have done their part, and now I'm just giving it to the audience.
Highly confidential. എനിക്ക് പോലും കാണിച്ചു തന്നില്ല.
Okay. Yeah, because you got friends over there inside. Huh?
I don't. All of them are friends. All of them, we've become family.
Superb. So, okay, from this particular side, give me one lot number which you badly want to be in for the final one. From the final 5.
ഇത്രയും നേരം സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത 22 കണ്ടസ്റ്റൻസിൽ ടോപ്പ് 5-ൽ എത്തണമെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന കണ്ടസ്റ്റന്റ് ആരാണ്?
So, Aishwarya, I heard a name from there, from that side. Okay, from that side. Okay.
Sorry? Aparna, okay. Drishya, okay. You know, I'm sure ningal ee peru parayumba they are becoming so happy because, you know, to know that all of you are here to support them and vouch for them, it's a wonderful feeling.
But those brilliant judges over there are taking some wonderful decisions. Well, to begin with, contestant number 8 or 7 milke 17 is in 17.
Contestant number 17, Ansi is definitely one of the top 5 of Miss Kerala 2019 Grand Finale.
So I'll just give this opportunity for this loving lady to pick.
Thank you so much. Thank you, finally.
Okay.
The next contestant who is going to be part of the top 5 is contestant number 1414, Navya Devi.
3 more to go for the grand finale. 3 names. Any 3 names in a rush? Your favorites from the balcony over there. Huh? Okay.
നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞതിൽ കുറച്ച് പേരുകളൊക്കെ ഇതിലുണ്ട്. ആകെ 3 പേരേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതിൽ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പേരുകളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Yes.
Contestant number 16, Anjana Venu is in.
Contestant number 1616, Anjana Venu. Alright, here we go. 2 more names. And for these two contestants, it is a make or break moment. Because they all know that they have already influenced a lot of people and they're all popular names out there. But still, let's go ahead and call forward contestant number 1, Alisa Davis.
Well, that left with one more person. One from here we have I don't want to build it too much of tension building exercise to them. But still give you one single option to say a name. What would that be?
എല്ലാവരും ഒന്നിച്ച് പറയുന്ന പേര് അതാണോ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം.
One loud.
Louder. Okay.
I think there are family members, friends, and everyone. I can see the volume is coming in a different pattern.
Who is that one contestant that we all so badly want in the top 5?
Yeah, there is this famous song which the Bollywood actor Anil Kapoor has already sung. 1 2 ka 4 2 ka 1. The number is 1 2 12, ladies and gentlemen. Anjana Shahjan.
Anjana Shahjan it is, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 12, Anjana Shahjan. We present before you, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 of the grand finale of Impresario Miss Kerala 2019. Woo!
The 5 beautiful ladies are on the walk. A huge round of applause. They will go with the final judgment. More to go.
We would like to congratulate the final 5 and also all of you who made it to top 10, all of you who made to top 22 as well, because ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് 1000-ഓളം എൻട്രീസ് ആണ് വന്നത്. അതിൽ നിന്നും 100-ലെത്തി, 22-ലെത്തി, 10-ലെത്തി, ഇപ്പോൾ 5-ലെത്തി നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. ദിസ് വാസ് നോട്ട് ആൻ ഈസി പ്രോസസ് ഫോർ അസ് ആൻഡ് ഫോർ ദെം ആസ് വെൽ. സോ ഇവരുടെ എല്ലാ എഫേർട്ടിനും ഹാർഡ് വർക്കിനും ഒരു നല്ലൊരു കൈയടി നമ്മൾ ചോദിച്ചു മേടിക്കുകയാണ്. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ
a big round of applause for all these wonderful pageants from here and from here. Okay, and they all are gonna be here till the crowning. We all are gonna have a bash. We all. Okay, Shruti.
I thank all the remaining contestants and we'll see you soon again for the crowning. Thank you so much, ladies. You all look absolutely stunning. And may I request the top 5. Well, Swayamvara Silks presents Impresario Miss Kerala 2019-ന്റെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ റൗണ്ടിൽ നമ്മൾ എത്തുമ്പോൾ this round is quite different. We wanted all the contestants to get a fair chance at winning the title. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ we made the round in such a way that all 5 of our gorgeous, brilliant contestants will be answering the same common question that will be dictated to them. ഇവരോട് എല്ലാവരോടും ചോദിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരേ ചോദ്യമാണ്. ആ ചോദ്യത്തിനുള്ള ഉത്തരം ഇവർ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ആൻഡ് വെൻ ഗിവൻ ദ ചാൻസ് ദേ വിൽ ബി റീഡിങ് ഔട്ട് ദി ആൻസർ. ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് അതിൽ എഴുതിയത് മാത്രമായിരിക്കും അവർ വായിക്കുന്നത്. സോ അവർക്ക് ഉത്തരം ആലോചിച്ച് ചിന്തിച്ച് എഴുതാനായിട്ട് ഒരേ സമയമാണ് ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. സെയിം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, സെയിം അമൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് ടൈം, ബട്ട് വി എക്സ്പെക്ട് 5 unique and brilliant answers from all of you. No pressure.
Absolutely. These are 5 beautiful people, 5 wonderful questions. Done. 1 gets the title and 2 gets the runners-up title. And you all are winners by the end of the day. So that's fine. So are you fine? You want some nice questions or like what kind of questions?
How excited are you about getting the same question and getting a fair chance at winning this pageant? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരേ ഒരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ആണുള്ളത്, ഒരേ ചാൻസ് ആണ്, ഈക്വൽ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി ആണ്. ഐ മീൻ ഡിപ്പെൻഡിങ് ഓൺ യുവർ ആൻസർ ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ്, ബട്ട് ദ സെയിം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വി ആർ ഗിവിംഗ് യു. ആർ യു ഓൾ പ്രിപ്പയർഡ്? ആർ യു ഓൾ റെഡി? യെസ്.
Well, the question goes like, I mean, melody itri chocolatey kaise bani?
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Ee nerathu veno. That's not the question. Please ignore. This
you
question
got 1
is
minute,
a very brilliant question. You have 1 minute to answer, and this question was jointly decided upon by all the judges. You can please move towards your writing.
So I'll be the timekeeper in this. Okay. Question പറഞ്ഞില്ലല്ലോ, ചോദിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ.
എഴുതി തുടങ്ങി.
Shruti, you can.
May I do the honors? Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you. Well, the question goes like this. Listen very carefully.
Don't
Rajesh,
start. Before I start telling you, don't.
എഴുതി തുടങ്ങരുത്. We will set the timer, or Rajesh will give the cue. And please, if you can translate it in Malayalam as well, that would be great. നമ്മൾ translate ചെയ്തു തരാം. Okay. So the question goes like this. Every battle fought is either for land or for a woman? What is it that makes women to fight for, to kill for, and to die for? I'll just repeat that question once again. Every battle fought is either for land or for women. What is it that makes women worthy of fighting for, killing for, and dying for? That's how your question
Don't
goes.
start it. No. There are judges who need to convert this to Malayalam. And we'll just give a small kind of a Malayalam version of this particular. Oro yuthom മണ്ണിനു വേണ്ടിയോ പെണ്ണിനു വേണ്ടിയോ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ ഏതാണ് പോരാടാനും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറയുക മരിക്കാനും പോരാടുവാനും കൊല്ലുവാനുമൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര വേർത്തായിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്നാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സോ അഗെയിൻ എവറി battle fought is either for land or woman. So
what makes women so worthy of fighting for, killing for, and dying for?
I'll tell you in a couple of seconds your time. Just a second. My friend has locked
Your
his
time
phone.
to start
Wait.
writing the answers begins. No. Begins in. I'll give you a countdown. So sorry. Do we have a timer? They're getting a lot of time to think the answer, alle. But equal time. You're all getting the same time. So well and good. I hope the question is clear to all of you. No more translation needed. Chodyam ellavarkum manasilayi. Please don't start writing the answers yet. Contestant at the extreme right, I request you to please not start writing the answers. Yes.
So contestants, you are clear with the question, right? You are clear with the question? Okay, for 1 minute, your time starts now.
You have 1 minute to write down your answer. And നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതുന്നത് എന്താണോ അത് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾ മൈക്കിലൂടെ പറയേണ്ടത്. This is a very interesting question. Rightly said, every battle is fought for land or woman alle. എന്താണ് what makes women so special?
$55, $58. 1 minute, that's done.
Your time is up. Yes, I request you to please stop writing. Your time is up. And it's time to see what interesting answers you have all come up with. ഇവരെന്താണ് ഈ ഒരു മിനിറ്റിൽ എഴുതിയത്, എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഇവർ ചിന്തിച്ചു കൂട്ടിയത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. Let's start from there.
Yeah, this is from Anjana Venu over here. I will just hand over the microphone and I'll just cross-check whether this is a...
I hope you understand my handwriting. You cannot attach a monetary value to a woman. When one fights for a woman, it is for her boldness, her elegance, her confidence, and most importantly, her ability to stand up for herself. Thank you.
So
Well answered.
That was from Anjana. You are not a doctor, right? Your handwriting looks like that. So,
Right. We'll move on to the next contestant standing next to Rajesh. Rajesh,
Navya. Navya, ready, set, go.
From Helen of Troy to Padmavati, women are considered the epitome of beauty. Her grace and elegance exuberates, and I'm a slow writer.
She had a great thread over there, and but isn't it fair that we give her a chance to complete her thought? I don't know. Let's leave it to the judges. Nope.
No, that
Well, the judges-
she can complete it on her social media. Thank
Yeah,
you.
probably yes. Since they are all influencers, we would love to hear the rest of the answer on social
Thank
media.
you, thank
Yeah?
you, thank you, Navya.
Thank you. Women is the reason for the existence of the whole universe by giving birth to a child and making this land to exist with we humans. So I think fighting for women finally gives you the land too.
Thank you.
Great
Thank
answer.
you,
Great answer. I'm gonna cross check.
Yeah.
Chal hat. Okay, hi. So, yes, you've got a very brisk short answer. Let's see.
3 qualities which are love, what makes a man complete whenever she expresses it. Courage, she's courageous enough to go for her second labor, even after knowing the brutal pains of the first one. Third, the motherhood, whenever she becomes a standing pillar.
Well answered. Okay, both of us are here to see what you're gonna say.
The fight for women and land itself shows how important and worthy women are. Every life on earth is through a mother, a woman. She is a warrior. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear.
Superb. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for all these wonderful people. They had done a fabulous job in just 60 seconds of time, and she was about to write so much, but you know, like, I mean, the thinking hat at times changes destiny. But a wonderful applause to all these wonderful people
ഒരേ
over there.
ചോദ്യത്തിന് 5 brilliant ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. And they were given just about a minute, a little more than a minute to write down the answers, to think the answer and write down the answers. Did you all like the question, by the way, contestants? Did you all like the question? Yeah? Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, that completes this particular round, the finale, the grand one, with post the interaction with the judges, then the final 5, then with their 1-minute question.
Round 3 ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ may I request all of you to please put your hands together for the 5 wonderful answers and the writers of those 5 wonderful answers.
So one thing is for sure, out of the 5, 1 will be titled Miss Kerala. Thank you, beautiful girls. Thank you for their immense patience, talent, for being here on this wonderful dais. Thank you.
We would like to thank all the 5 contestants on stage. Now, thank you for the brilliant reply to that wonderful question. Thank you. Let us also take a minute to thank our sponsors.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Swayamvara Silks presents Impresario Miss Kerala 2019 is in association with Urban Affairs, powered by Red FM. The Big Shot Brothers is our talent partner. TikTok is our social media partner. Happenstance is our comfort partner. PSY is our hairstyle partner. Dazzler Eterna is the beauty partner. Le Meridian Kochi, the venue partner. Forward Media is the lifestyle partner. Alan Scott is our trend partner.
Directions Media is our outdoor partner. Kochi Design Week is our design thinking partner. The Ernakulam District Sports Council is our sports partner. Kushal's Fashion Jewellery is our jewellery partner. And the gifting partners are Vismay and Kiora Amores. Lifestyle only Vero Moda, Block and Prints, Aham Designer Boutique and La Fila Designer Boutique are our outfit partners. Swayamvara Silks presents Impresario Miss Kerala 2019 is photographed by Jinsan Abraham and styled by Jishad Shamsuddin.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take a very, very short break. We'll have been, you have been an absolutely wonderful audience. We'll be having a small entertaining performance, a dance performance from a couple of wonderful artists over here. And we'll be back with the grand finale results with some surprises, live and loaded, on this special evening of Swayamvara Silks Miss Kerala 2019. Thank you. Love you all.
We request you to please stay tuned for those final moments that you are all eagerly waiting for. But in the meanwhile, Rajesh പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
Absolutely. Big cheer, Abhibi.